It is a Friday, December 27th, and we are going to do something, or we're going to do a shoot, but not something I normally do. This is it, everyone's arriving. And I feel like a schmuck because I'm not sure really what I'm doing. Because I don't normally shoot landscape or cityscape. So this is all new to me. This is all new to me. So we are back from that shoot, and boy, I just really felt like I didn't know what I was doing. Portraits really are my thing. I want to get into street photography, but cityscape architecture, that's really not, I don't feel it. I mean, a lot goes into it, and I know I like the pictures other people produce, but it's not something that I easily gravitate to, unlike portrait photography or street photography, which I do honestly want to get better at. But overall, it was a very cool thing to do. I met a few interesting people, very talented photographers, whom I hope I do get to work with. But right now, what I really want to do right now is get some food. So that's what I'm going to do. Get some food. Yeah. So, a bit of a side note on that. The lens I used for the photos was the FE 28mm f2. So normally I use the 50, but I do have the 28. And it looks nice. It distorts like a motherfucker, but it's still nice. The color rendering and the sharpness is pretty good on that.